Hey, welcome back to another episode of Team Exostance. Now we've got the K running. We've run into some issues. I've got this noise when you are under full acceleration, so I'll show you what I mean. Basically it's when you accelerate hard. See? So in today's episode we'll fix that problem. So we just had a delivery. Been waiting for these for a while. These are wheels that are going on the EG. So let's crack them open and have a look. They're usually a bit of a pain to get into. These wheels I've got are not in bad shape, but they did have some gutter rash. So I've sanded that back. I need to put a bit of filler in there, so we're just using this this stuff, which is metal filler, and I've got a few of them like that need just a bit of filler on them, and then we will end up, so one of them was alright, I could do it just sanding back until I've given that a paint in charcoal. So I think they'll come up alright. Up about that much of the filler, and I'll have to do it quickly because this stuff goes hard very quick, so I'll come back once it's done. So that stuff dries really quick. I didn't even get through putting it on all the wheels before it was dry, so I'm going to have to do another batch. But I've just kind of layered it up on the edge here. So we'll give it 15 minutes and then we should be able to sand it. So now that I've put some filler in and sanded it back, you can see that's what they look like, the bits that were taken out. And there's another good chunk there that's covered up. I'm now making sure it's really clean and using some wax and grease remover just to make sure there's nothing on the wheel. So we'll clean it all up and then we can hit it with some paint. So I've cleaned it all up and we're just shaking the can now. I've had this sitting in the car, and it's a warm day, so it's pretty warm already. And I'm going to give it a bit more heat in the heat gun, and then I'll hit this with a coat of paint. Now we use some clear on it. Now got them wrapped in some Yokohama rubber, sticky rubber, and they're ready to go back on. It's been a while since I painted them actually. Been busy with the conversion, so keen to get these on and see how they look. So let's get them on.